Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Olivier. Today's episode we are going to learn English grammar basics. So today we are going to move to the second chapter, which is feelings and emotion. In Kirundi we say inyiyumvo, feelings, inyiyumvo cyangwa wiyumva, or emotion, ibigumbagumba cyane ibigumbagumba cyane the sentiment ibigumbagumba. So today we are going to start with I like or I dislike. When you say I like, are those things which are interesting for you. For example, I like to eat meat, or I dislike to eat meat. Nivyo bintu vyose ukunda muri rusange. I like nivyo ukunda. I love. Ibyo udakunda ni ushuka ati I dislike. Right? Very good. So, these are expressions that we use when we want to say I like or I dislike. It's not always say I like or I dislike. There is other expression that we use when we want to say I like or I dislike. For instance, first, I love reading detective novels. I love reading detective novels. To me that in Kirundi we say ndakunda gusoma ibitabo vya politiki canke vy'intwaro. Ndakunda gusoma ibitabo vyerekeye iperereza vya politiki. Right? Very good. So, I enjoy going out with a friend. I enjoy going out with a friend. Ndaryoherwa gusohokana n'abagenzi. To me that this person is like to do going out with a friend. This person, he likes reading detective novel. Instead of, he say, I love reading detective novel. To me that he likes reading detective novels, right? Very good. So, I enjoy going out with a friend. To me that this person is enjoying going out with a friend. He likes. Right? Very good. So, let me move with this for this expression. I don't mind doing the housework. I don't mind doing the housework. So, to me that avuze mu Kirundi ntacyo bitwaye gukora akazi ko mu nzu. Abitaho ntacyo bitwaye gukora akazi ko mu nzu. To me that he likes to do the housework. I don't mind doing the housework. Right? So, let me move here. Do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I open the window? Hari icyo bitwaye nuguruye idirisha. Hari icyo bitwaye nuguruye idirisha. He asked, no, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. Ntacyo bitwaye. To me that he likes when someone opens the window. I don't mind. Ntacyo bitwaye. Right? Oya ntacyo bitwaye. Abitahuye? On to the next. I can't stand that kind of music. In Kirundi say ubwoko bw'umuziki cyangwa sishaka uwo muziki mwe n'uyu. Ubwoko bw'umuziki ntabwo shaka. Right? I hate ironing. Right? Ndanga kugorora. To me that he dislikes to iron. Right? Very good. I don't feel like watching TV tonight. I don't feel like watching TV tonight. Siniyumva neza ko noja kureba TV nimugoroba cyangwa umugoroba. To mean that he dislikes to watch TV tonight. Ntashaka kuza kureba television ku mugoroba. Right? Very good. So, how about going out instead? Wumva gute dusohotse? Wumva gute dusohotse? Ufimva gute? Mean that he asks her or him how they feel when they go out instead. Right? Akamubaza ati yumva gute basohotse? Ukuntu yumva basohotse? Right? Do you feel like going to the restaurant? Do you feel like going to the restaurant? Urakunda kuja kuri restaurant? Cyangwa wumva woja kuri restaurant? Right? Very good. So, this is the end of our